So last Friday was Black Friday, and as you can see, I picked up a couple of things. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. You guys, TSP here. My favorite kind of holiday is Black Friday, where you get to save a lot of money and a lot of cash. If you missed it, don't worry. If you live here in Canada, there's always Boxing Day. Now, there was another box, and inside that box was my first product, which is on my wrist, the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. I unboxed the Gear S3, and that will be my next video. And inside also came this Milanese loop by a company called Moco, and it turned out to be complete garbage. It did not even fit the watch, so I ordered another one, which should be in one of these packages. So let's get to that. Let's tighten up the shot a little bit. Got my trusty unboxing knife here, and inside the first package is a tempered glass screen protector for the Gear S3. I'm not going to open it just yet. I'm going to open it and set it up in a bit, so that's cool. All of that, this whole thing for such a big bag, I don't get why. Inside this box is a Amazon Echo Dot, second generation. Now I picked this up because this is on sale for around 25 Canadian dollars or 19 US dollars, which is an amazing deal for such a tiny little product, so I had to pick one up, and I did. Now inside the second box should be another Echo Dot. Yes, and inside is another Echo Dot, along with a new Milanese loop that will actually fit my watch. So let's try that Milanese loop out first. So opening up the Milanese loop. So one thing I love about the Gear S2 is that you can easily swap out the bands, which is an amazing feature. I wish most smartwatches had that feature. Well, most new smartwatches do have that feature. It fits! Yay! And there you go. That is the Milanese loop style band for your Samsung Gear S3. And you want to take it out, just go like that and slide it out of your wrist. Now it doesn't feel as premium as the Apple one, which is a little disappointing, but then again, that is the Apple one, and this is the, I would say, almost plastic version. It doesn't feel like it's real metal, and yeah, it's a nice cool little pickup. Alright, and that is my Black Friday haul. We had the Echo Dots, the screen protector, the Milanese loop, as well as the Gear S3 smartwatch, and I have a battery bank and a Tommy Hilfiger wallet coming in the mail probably tomorrow or the day after. So thank you for watching this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did and you want to do, smash that thumbs up button down below. Thanks for watching. This is TSP, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. So far. Alright, later.